Hi friends, my name is Srimant Kumar. I am lecturer in Commerce Department. So right now we are undergoing with a pandemic situation. So in this one we are not having classes and all that. So regarding that, some of the students requested me to start the classes, and I am starting the topics of BBA, and slowly I will go for commerce and management subjects also. So regarding that, today we are going to discuss about what is actually an organizational behavior. So it is in BBA. For BBA students, we used to give classes to them. So it is in BBA. We are having organizational behavior. So what is organization? Organization is a group of people where they are working, and where the people used to connect with all the people to get the work done by them in a simple manner. So at first we can able to discuss about what is organizational definition. You can able to see in the board. Organization is a group of people collected to work for a common goal with collective efforts. So whenever people are working for a common goal or a common agenda, so they used to work for that because of to whatever the goal they are getting to be done. So in an organization, we can able to see that we are having short-term goal, or we are having medium-term goal, or we are having long-term goal. So whenever we are having three types of goals there, it is represents that how the people used to achieve the goal, how the people are going for the goal, achieving the goal. And next we can able to see behavior. Behavior means nothing but whenever the people are doing or doing a common thing over there, so how they behave, how they react to the situation. So because every people come from different background, so we can able to see that all the people may not be come from the same background, all the people may not be having the same culture, all the people may not be having the same religion, all the people may not be having the same education qualifications. So there the people used to behavior. The behavior approach is a study of an individual or group of people within an organization and its impact. So how the people are behaving, what is their impact in the behavior, how they are reacting to the situation, how they are getting the work to be done, that we are going to discuss about the behavior. So this is what at first we had discussed about. Organization is a group of people collected to work for a common goal with collective efforts. So whatever the collective efforts, we can able to get the things to be done with collective efforts only. A single person can't able to run the show. So like the same way, when group of people or group of subjective peoples are working for a common goal or agenda, then only we can able to get the goals to be done. And next one, when we come to behavior, behavior is a study of approach where the people used to work, either it may be an individual or group of people, how they behave, how they react, how they behave in the situations, and how they overtake the situations in some harsh conditions. Now, when we come to the characteristics of organizational behavior, we are classifying that into four important structure, as we can able to see in the board. First one is what? People. Second one is what? Structure. Third one is technology, and fourth one is environment. So when we come to people, people means whenever whatever the peoples are coming to the organization for work. So we generally categorize the people in two important bases. That is what? Skilled people and unskilled. So whenever we are coming to skilled people, we can able to see that they are having knowledge regarding technical knowledge or system knowledge or any workforce knowledge. So when we come to unskilled people, those people who work for labor works. So there we can able to see that people are categorized regarding skilled and unskilled people, and there the people are studied according to their knowledge, according to their impact, according to their behavior in the organization. Next one, we can able to see the structure. Structure of the organization plays most important role. Why? Because number of organizations have different kind of structural approach towards the goals and towards the taking out of the goals. So that we can able to see that structure of the organization plays most important and prominent role regarding getting an organizational goal to be achieved by the people and for getting the organizational profits. Third one, we can able to see technology. We can able to see that now in the 21st century, we can able to see that organizations are also transforming themselves, and they are taking the technologies into beyond the levels. There the people, we can able to see that who are the main streams or top management peoples are there. They are adopting the new technology, new methodologies, new way of mechanisms. Why? Because today we can able to see that if they don't run with the technology, we can able to be backend. And if once we backend with the technology, we can't able to grow, and we can't able to get the minimum amount of outcome what we are going to be get. So that's what technology plays most important role in the organizations. If we are running toward the technology, then only we can able to get succeeded in every organization. Next one, environment. So in the environment, we can able to see that we should create a healthy environment to the people to work there. Why? Because if we are not making a healthy environment to them, they can't able to get good results. And when we want to get good results, we have to create good environment to the people, like giving them different kinds of perks. Like we can able to see that organizations are providing them transport facilities, food facilities, medical facilities, all the allowances, all the perks which are given to the people, it comes under environmental effort. And when we give all the things to the people, then the people can also show a good approach towards the organization. I give a small example to you. Like if an organization is there, like this pandemic situation right now, what we are going through throughout the world. So in this situation, if an organization is there, it is not getting so much of profits. Why? Because today we can able to see that everything is stopped. And in this situation, if the organization says to the people that you have to work and we should not be giving you money. So in this situation, whether the people are reacting to that, because people are having different mindsets. And if the people are taking that in a positive sense, that we had worked for the organization for so many times, if the organization is going through a bad patch or it is a harsh conditions to that, if we work for some time by taking half of the money, half of our salaries, so like this way they can able to get good interest on that. At the same time, the organization also react, or they feel that yes, the people who are working for us, they also have interest, or they also have a positive nature. So this shows an environment of an organization. It is very important part for every organization to get succeeded. So we're going to discuss that why organizational behavior study is important. Organizational behavior study is very important. Why? Because we can able to see that every place, whenever we are working with an organization or whenever we are working with people, it is very important part of a manager to understand the people behavior. And in organization particularly, we can able to see that we are not playing with machines, we are playing with emotions, and every people got some emotions. So whenever we are in the organization, whenever we are running an organization, we are dealing with emotions of the people. So there we are going to study that how we are going to deal with the people. And here behavior plays very important role when we are going to understand their behavior according to the approach. So there we can able to see that why organizational behavior is a study is important, because we are going to understand about the people's behavior in an organization. So when we are going to understand the people behavior in the organization, half of the work is completed. Why? Because we can able to see that when the people is going to the organization with a saddy mood, so he can't able to really work there. Why? Because he is having the same situation in his mind, so he can't able to concentrate in the work what he is assigned. So there the manager have to see that whether the employees are having a peaceful mind to work. So that's what we are going to study about organizational behavior. So organizational behavior is not only making the work to be done, it is also an approach to study a human mind, human approach towards the behavior. And it is very important part of an organization that whether the people are being managed by the manager in the right condition, right process, and a right way. Why? Because if the manager is not managing them in a right way, they can't able to get any kind of success. Maybe they get a short-term success, but it is not expected to get a long-term success. Long-term success of an organization is set to be achieved by them when we are having an organization behavior in an organization. And that too, when we are having this behavior approach in the organization, we can able to get all-round success without having any kind of problems regarding human minds. So in organizational behavior, we have to understand the people's behavior, mentality, reactions, their study. So according to that, the work is assigned to them, work is given to them. And when the outcome is there, then we can able to see that, yes, if there is any problem, like we can able to see that when you are in a single person as an individual, your behavior is different. When you are in a group, your behavior may be different. So it is because of the systematic approach what our mindset is to be. So like this way, we can able to see that whenever we are having an organizational behavior, every person's mindsets are different, but they have to do an collective effort to get the success in an organization. So it is very important part of an organization to study about the organizational approach to get the work to be done by the people in a satisfactory way, in a needy way, and in a pleasant way. That's what organizational behavior is.